Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make some healthy and delicious peanut and American porridge in my kitchen, so keep on watching. Here I am adding 1 cup of American for it to be pre-soaked overnight. So I'm going to show you how to wash it and the amount of water to add to pre-soak it. So we're going to wash it 3 times, wash and strain it 3 times until the water becomes clear. Use the corn and the peanuts to the amount of porridge that you want to make. I am going to make half pot of porridge, so I am using 1 cup of corn to half cup of peanuts. This is how clear the water should look before you pre-soak it. So now I'm going to drain it and then I'm going to use a different water to soak it. Do not use the same container that you used to wash the corn. I am going to use 1.5 cups of water to soak the corn and add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You have to add the salt when you're pre-soaking it, or add the salt when you're going to boil it. If you don't add any salt, then when you cook the corn it will not have any taste. Also, I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of mixed spice just to flavor the corn. If you don't have any mixed spice, you can either add nutmeg or cinnamon powder. Now I am going to place it in my refrigerator and let it remain there until I am ready to prepare it. I also pre-soaked my peanuts overnight. I'm going to remove the water. When you pre-soak it, it allows it to blend faster and easier. In the pot I have 2 cups of water. I am going to add my corn, then I'm going to look to see if it needs more water. If it does, then I will add another cup. Also, the water that you used to soak the corn, add it to the pot also and give it a good stir. You should add the amount of water to the amount of corn that you are cooking. Now I am going to cover the pot and allow it to come to a boil on a high flame. When it starts boiling, reduce the heat to medium and cover the pot halfway, or you keep a close eye on it because we don't want it to boil over. Now I am going to add my peanuts to a blender and add 2 cups of coconut milk. You can use water to blend it, but when you use the coconut milk it allows it to have a nicer flavor and taste. Now I am going to add 2 heaped cooking spoon of flour. You use the amount of flour to how thick you want the porridge to be. Now I am going to cover and allow it to blend. I am showing you this step so you will see how fast it blends when you pre-soak the peanuts. Mine was too thin, so I added half spoon of flour off camera. You are going to add the peanut mixture to the pot when the corn cooks halfway. Reduce the flame to low when you are going to add the flour mixture. This will help it to be lump free. Make sure you mix it very well. When you finish mixing, turn up the heat to medium and cover it and allow it to come to a boil. When it starts boiling, stir occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the pot. When the porridge finishes cooking, put out the flame and give it a good stir before adding in the milk. Now I am going to add 1/4 cup of whole milk to the pot. Quarter tin of sweetened condensed milk, but you can add whichever milk you prefer, or if you want to go dairy free. I am adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I also added 1 cooking spoon of sugar. Guys, you are free to comment and let me know which recipe you wanna see me make. From my kitchen to yours, I present to you how I make peanut and hominy porridge in my kitchen. I know you guys enjoyed this recipe, so please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will try this recipe, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and turn on your post notification bell. Enjoy!